Hello, today I will show you how I got to these toys failing for 1 year. Here are not all the pieces that I threw in the garbage, so I will tell you about a few. Here are the tests I made for the fighter jet. For the door, here I tried transparent one. I tried to fit the joint to see they're okay. I got a lot of them to fail, to broke. Not enough space here, not enough other details. Also, this is the snapping point for the wings, as you can see here. Also doors for the light Mech. Here is also some tests on the doors. Here is one of the failed bodies for action figures, because here joints are too thin and they will broke. Here is a broken cage. Here is too thin and it broke. Here are the shoulders for 3 Mech that I uploaded. Some armor tests. Some here are not. I was about 10 or 12 failed hands for the Mech. And the final one you can see here, fingers. Here is the head as a variant for the next. Here are the railings for the modular garage I made. Here is a broken door from an ammo box, failed design. Here I tested like 20 times to fit this, to make it work with flexible cable for ammo. Here is another flexible cable. Here I tried to make smaller. Failed test for the head for the robot dog. And a lot of tests, a lot of 20, 30, 40, I don't know, I don't remember. For the joints, for the action figures to work, not to break. Here are some of them. Some belts. Here it was broken, here it was cracked, and a lot of failed joints. Here I tried to paint some part of the legs for to be more stiffness. Heads for the. Here are some snapping variants. Here are tests for the legs for the robot dog, an old one. Here was failed print, but also some failed here, some parts. Another test for the leg. Broken rudder. Some snapping tests. Another leg. Armor test. Here humanoid was failed. Here are robot dogs, small robot dog for design failing and legs too boring. Here I had for the wing propeller. For this one I had like 5 or 6 tests, because here the original one you can snap and you can detach it and you can rotate. Here is the failing for this rudder. Here are failed prints of the propellers for pilots. Here's another test for the hand, armor test, back wing of a jet. Here's one of the first concepts. Here are some tests for the garage modular. Some cargo boxes. Here are some tests for my board game. Broken gun, 2 small wheel, nice size wheel, 8 centimeters wheel. That will be in the next model on the Patreon. Here is some tests for the RoboDog Mech modular shields that I will upload soon. Test for the head of a Mech. Some joints test here. And I understand after time that you need to use the best PLA. I just use the best PLA I can get. Some joints tests. Broken. See it because the filament, black filament is worse. And that's all. And a lot of details that I cannot remember. But yes guys, a lot of tests. Thanks. Share, like, subscribe. Follow for more news and new videos. Thanks.